Let me start off by saying fuck scalpers, and if you're watching this video with the idea of buying and reselling,
you a bitch.
It's been over 5 months since the launch of the PS5, and this shit isn't that much easier to get. As expected, by February, we thought most stores would be able to keep up with demand and Sony would be able to keep up with production, but that's not the case here. I managed to get one, and this is going to be a quick video explaining how I got my own for MSRP, and I'll take you through the best resources, in my opinion, that worked the best for me and a couple of my buddies as well. But before I start explaining how I got one, if you're borderline thinking about buying one at a price above MSRP, just don't. As you can see on various marketplaces, the prices have gone down significantly since launch. That's because more people are able to get their own and not willing to pay for something that realistically only has like a couple of games on it. And if enough people hold off, in the end, those scalpers won't be able to sell their inventory and will be left with no profits and empty pockets. Again, fuck scalpers. For the most part, I've had my console for a couple of weeks now. All I ended up playing was Final Fantasy VII Remake, Persona 5, which are both PlayStation 4 games, and the actual only PS5 games that I did end up playing was Assassin's Creed Valhalla and Spider-Man. So all that hype and flex shit aside, you're not really missing out on anything by just waiting. And this is coming from a loyal Sony fanboy. I've had all the PlayStations. I've loved PlayStation since I got the PS1 in the 2nd grade, and I wanted this one pretty freaking badly, which made me extra salty by the time launch came around. I couldn't get one, and then people around me started telling me to wait until February, so I waited, and it was still the same bullshit over and over again. And as time went on, I started debating buying one for a much higher price than MSRP, but I honestly probably wouldn't have been able to live with myself. It's a fucking 2000 Honda Accord with 270k miles on it, a new battery, 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 on the goddamn highway. But to be real, sometimes my PS5 does sound like the VTEC is kicking in though. Just listen to this shit. And well, it's safe to say that if I honestly would have bought one for double the price or higher than MSRP, knowing what I know now, I probably would have sold it to get my money back and just waited to get one for a regular MSRP price. So I'm going to explain the steps that I took to get my console, and I had 2 of my friends also do the same as I did, and they got their consoles. I highly recommend setting up accounts for Walmart, Best Buy, and GameStop. These 3 stores have been the most successful for me and my friends, as well as other people in my Discord channel. So hop on, make an account, put your billing and shipping info in so that when inventory or stocks are available, it's an instant purchase. If you don't have Discord, download it. And if you do have a Discord, I posted a link in the description to Saru's house channel. This is where I was able to get mine, and it's by far the most amazing thing ever. Saru's channel is super wonderful, and you can see the countless posts of people who have gotten their orders fulfilled. If you go to the PS5 ping roll channel, you hit the reaction, you'll get notifications whenever a drop happens. They usually notify you a couple minutes to like half an hour or hour or 2 earlier. So if you're at school or work, you can sneak into the bathroom and just go nuts. So in comparison to Twitter, Saru's channel has about 18,000 people in there. They do a really good job moderating all the bots and inactive people who are there to just scalp this shit. And it's just a great community to understand and ask questions on how this whole thing works. And the biggest thing of all is that you're not competing with 400,000 people such as Twitter. My buddy joined the Discord, and the first drop that happened, he managed to get a PS5. So join up. That's my little secret, if you even want to call it that. I really like the channel, and I just wanted to make this video to kind of shed light on them. All the moderators there are super dope. They all get the job done. They're doing wonderful things, and that's really it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is how I got mine. I know honestly only like 3 or 4 people will watch this, but to those 3 people, if you manage to get one, please comment. It would be super awesome to see that I helped someone get one, because fuck scalpers. And best of luck to y'all. Go crazy, and don't forget to go stupid. Peace.